What's up, guys? So I'll be preparing rice and stew today. I had to wash my meat thoroughly with salt, then I had to boil it right now and put my little bit of salt and cubes, Maggi, a little bit of water, and steamed it. Now it's ready doing. So this is how I prepared the meat about to fry. So then I brought my tomato and I went to ground it and dried it up. After drying it, I had to pour it inside a bowl. After it has been dried, then I fried my meat. Fried it very well and made it dry so well, and the aroma was tantalizing. Then I added my groundnut oil. After it was hot, I poured my tomato and pepper inside, which I grounded, and my tomato paste. After adding the tomato paste, I made sure I stir it thoroughly very well, and adding it right now, like this is how I just had to do it because it's the method I just wanted to use. Alright, guys, I want to use the fry method, so I use my salt, my maggi, my thyme, and curry. So I added everything at once. No much ingredients else. That's what I put, and this is my meat. I just added it and made sure I done it, making the stew to dry properly well without adding the water for now. Then later on, I added the water. After adding the meat water, then I had to boil my rice now. So and now boiling this rice, like I added a little bit of groundnut oil. Guess why? Because I just wanted it to be one. Okay, so I added my salt and now the rice is done already. So ready to eat, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Like my videos. I love you guys. Thank you.